Imagine waking up every day with a mindset tailored precisely to success and positivity. What if the barriers you perceive in your path are not as solid as they seem? What if you could dissolve them simply by changing how you think? Welcome to our deep dive into the transformative power of reprogramming your subconscious mind. This journey isn't just about minor tweaks to your daily habits. It's about a profound transformation at the core of your beliefs. Lasting change begins not with quick fixes, but with a shift in the very foundation of how you perceive and interact with the world. Our minds, much like the ancient Stoics believed, are not just passive landscapes where life's events wander uncontested. Stoicism teaches us that true power lies in our ability to direct our thoughts and emotions despite external circumstances. It champions the idea that the mind can be fortified, becoming impervious to the chaos of the outside world. Today, we are going to take a leaf out of this timeless philosophy and combine it with modern, psychological techniques to master the art of mental reprogramming. This journey is about understanding that every thought and emotion is a brushstroke on the canvas of our psyche. Negative patterns, fears, and doubts are not permanent marks but can be repainted with deliberate and positive mental imagery. By learning to harness the power of our subconscious, we can align it with our conscious desires, transforming our inner narrative from one of limitation to one of limitless potential. But why is this important? Because the subconscious mind is a powerful ally that works day and night to manifest our deepest held beliefs and feelings, often without our conscious permission. The key to tapping into this formidable force is not to overpower it, but to collaborate with it, steering its immense power toward the goals and outcomes we desire. Through techniques like visualization, affirmations, and therapies like EMDR and hypnotherapy, we can shift our mental habits from self-sabotage to self. As we embark on this discussion today, think of it as setting sail across the vast ocean of your mind. Like the Stoic philosophers who valued wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance, let us anchor our thoughts in these virtues and direct our mental voyage towards a horizon of our own design. Here, we'll explore not just the how of changing your mind, but the profound why, the deep and lasting impact it can have on your life's trajectory. Ready to reshape your world from the inside out? Let's dive deeper into the art of mental transformation, peeling back the layers of our subconscious and exploring the transformative power within us. I hope you find value in what we're uncovering here. If you do, a simple favor I'll ask from you is to hit the subscribe button. Please don't skip any part of the video, as every step is essential to fully embrace the journey we are on together. No. 1. Understanding the subconscious. The subconscious mind is like an iceberg. Most of its mass and power resides below the surface, out of sight, yet immensely influential. This hidden part of our mind controls everything from our heartbeat to our deeply ingrained habits and beliefs. But what's truly fascinating and a bit daunting is that this same part of the mind also governs the patterns that impact our daily lives and long-term happiness. Understanding the subconscious is critical because it stores not just memories and learned behaviors, but also the emotional responses tied to those memories. These emotions can be triggered without our conscious awareness, influencing our reactions and decisions in unexpected ways. For example, have you ever felt anxious or upset without understanding why? It could be your subconscious mind reacting to a past event, an autopilot system running on outdated software. The goal is to update that software to better serve your current goals and aspirations. Stoicism provides a compelling framework for interacting with our subconscious. While we can't control external events, the Stoics taught that we can control our reactions. By focusing on rational thought, Marcus Aurelius emphasized that the mind is fortified by principles, and it's within our power to ensure those principles align with our true selves. Applying this to the subconscious, we see the value in training our minds to respond to life's challenges with calmness and resilience, rather than reacting mindlessly based on ingrained patterns. Our task is to make the unconscious to uncover the hidden motives and scripts that guide our behavior. When we do this, we can align our habits and reactions with our conscious intentions, much like the Stoics practiced aligning their actions with reason and virtue. This isn't mere philosophy, it's a practical strategy to enhance personal growth and satisfaction. Through mindfulness, a technique that teaches us to observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment, we can recognize these subconscious patterns. Recognizing these patterns is the first step toward change. Just as the Stoics examined their thoughts to ensure they were rational and constructive, we too can update our subconscious scripts to reflect our values and goals. No. 2. Techniques for reprogramming the subconscious. Reprogramming your subconscious is like cultivating a garden. It's about creating the right conditions, planting the seeds of positive thoughts, and diligently weeding out negative ones. Visualization stands out, as a powerful tool in this process. It's like directing a vivid mental movie where you are the director, actor, and audience all in one. Imagine achieving your goals, whether it's a career milestone, health objective, or sense of inner peace. The Stoics practiced a similar form of mental preparation called premeditatio malorum, where they visualized potential challenges to prepare for them. We can take this further by visualizing not only challenges, but also successes, embedding these images deeply into our subconscious. By regularly visualizing positive outcomes, we align our subconscious beliefs with our conscious goals, programming our minds to act accordingly. Another transformative tool is EMDR movement, desensitization, and EMDR helps process and reframe past traumas that may be subconsciously affecting your current behavior. Much like the Stoics, who believed in facing reality as it is, EMDR confronts hidden wounds, enabling us to understand them better and reduce their disruptive power. Affirmations also play a crucial role in this journey. Repeated positive statements can gradually transform negative thought patterns into supportive ones, just as the Stoics repeated philosophical maxims to fortify their resolve. Lastly, engaging with Stoicism itself serves as a form of subconscious reprogramming. By reflecting on our thoughts and actions regularly, we create a mental framework that supports growth and personal development. 3. Creating a supportive environment. Creating a supportive environment is vital in our journey of subconscious reprogramming. Think of it as cultivating fertile soil for positive thoughts to thrive. Just as plants are influenced by sunlight and soil, our minds are shaped by the environments we inhabit. In Stoicism, the importance of our peers and surroundings is emphasized. Seneca advised choosing friends who embody the virtues we aspire to. In modern terms, this means surrounding ourselves with people who uplift and inspire us. Positive influences, whether mentors, family, or friends, bolster our mental reprogramming efforts. Reflecting back, not who we are, but who we can be. A supportive environment also includes the physical spaces we occupy. Whether it's a tranquil corner for meditation or an organized workspace for creativity, the physical space can either support or hinder our mental growth. Similarly, digital spaces, the media we consume, and the information we engage with also shape our minds. Choose wisely what you feed your mind online, ensuring it aligns with your goals. Lastly, routine is essential. Just as the Stoics adhered to structured daily practices, we too can create a daily routine that promotes mental well-being. From journaling to morning affirmations, these practices can anchor us, providing a solid foundation for growth and transformation. 4. Practical daily practices. Incorporating practical daily practices into our routines sets a strong foundation for mental resilience. These practices are the building blocks that turn abstract ideas into tangible habits. Affirmations are one of the most impactful daily practices. By starting your day with positive statements, you set a tone of confidence and empowerment. For instance, telling yourself, "I am capable of achieving my goals," shifts your mindset from doubt to belief. Visualization is another key tool. By vividly imagining the outcomes you desire, you align your subconscious with your conscious goals, making it easier to take action toward them. Journaling, a practice rooted in Stoic reflection, helps externalize your thoughts, allowing you to identify and address negative patterns. It also serves as a track for your progress, offering insight into your mental and emotional growth. Mindfulness and meditation further support this journey. These practices calm the mind, enhance focus, and reduce stress, making it easier to rewire negative thought patterns. Physical health is also crucial. Regular exercise and nutrition fuel both mind and body, promoting resilience and mental clarity. By integrating these practices into your daily life, you create a supportive framework that nurtures your subconscious and guides you toward your desired transformation. 5. Long-term maintenance and growth. For long-term success, continuous self-reflection and self-assessment are essential. The Stoics regularly examine their thoughts and actions to ensure they aligned with their principles. This can be done through regular journaling and reflective exercises, helping you stay on track and motivated. Lifelong learning is another key principle. The Stoics were dedicated to seeking knowledge, and we too should continuously expand our horizons, whether through reading, workshops, or engaging with new ideas. Surrounding yourself with a supportive community is also crucial. Engage with like-minded individuals who encourage your growth and provide feedback, support, and motivation. Lastly, adaptability is key. As your goals evolve, be open to adjusting your practices and strategies to meet new challenges. By embracing consistency in your practices, celebrating milestones, and maintaining a sense of purpose, You ensure that your journey of subconscious reprogramming remains dynamic and fulfilling. As we conclude this transformative journey, remember that the power to change your life lies within your mind. By reprogramming your subconscious, you are rewriting your story and forging a path toward a future filled with possibility and fulfillment. Thank you for being a part of this journey. If you found value in this video, make sure to check out the suggested videos on your screen to continue your path of personal growth and self-mastery. Don't forget to subscribe and join our community. Until next time, keep striving for excellence and living with purpose.